today's video, I want to break down 3 apps from Apple that can replace Adobe apps. Now the first one is for video editing. So for Adobe, it's Premiere Pro, which I believe is like $34 to $35 per month. Or if you pay for the year, I think it goes down to like $22 or $23 a month. Or if you're like a student or a teacher, you can get the entire Adobe suite for $20 a month. On Apple's side, they have Final Cut Pro, which is just a one-time fee of $300, and you own it forever. I bought Final Cut Pro probably close to like 10 years ago and never had to pay again for it. The second one is motion graphics. So for Adobe, they have After Effects, and then for Apple, they have Motion. And Motion is only $50 one-time fee. After Effects has a plugin called Element 3D, which turns it into kind of like Blender, so it's like its own 3D software. And Final Cut Pro has one called MO2, which doesn't work on anything over 10.6.5 for Apple, but they're working on MO3, which should work with the newer versions of Apple's computers. And then the third one, Adobe has Photoshop, and Apple actually bought out Pixelmator Pro, and it's now their software. Again, you can get it for about $50. So that's 3 different softwares that you can buy for Apple that can kind of replace Adobe software. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps the channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.